Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a quick and easy way to change the description of your public list on X. Keeping your lists updated is a great way to make sure they're clear, organized, and useful for the people who follow them. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap the menu icon, the three little lines symbol. This is your main navigation panel that gives you access to different parts of your account. From there, scroll down and select Lists. This is where all the lists you've created or subscribed to are stored in one place. You'll see both private and public lists here, so make sure you're working with the correct one. Next, open the public list you want to edit. Just tap on it to bring up the details. This is where you can see the members, subscribers, and the current description that's visible to others. Now look for the option that says Edit List and tap on it. This is the section where you can update your list's title, make it private or public, and yes, change the description. Simply tap inside the description box and type out the new description you want to use. Think about what makes the list useful or unique, and write something that clearly explains its purpose. This little section is what people see when they view the list, so it's worth keeping it clear and engaging. Once you're happy with your new description, all you have to do is tap Save. And that's it. You've successfully updated the description for your public list on X. Keeping your list descriptions up to date not only helps you stay organized, but also makes your lists more helpful for others who may want to follow them. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how your lists are seen and used. So now you know exactly how to change the description anytime you need to. Give it a try, and keep your lists fresh and relevant on X.